Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Sublime Text on your Windows PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser here. I'm using my Chrome, any browser will do. Now here type Sublime Text, as you can see this one, and press enter. Now here is their official website sublimetext.com. Just click the first link here, and on clicking it you can see this interface. Here you can see download for Windows. Just click that option here, and as you can see my download already started and also it's done. And now right click it and go to show in folder, and after doing this just double click it here to install and click yes again. Minimize all of them, and here you can see my Sublime Text is installed in program files. You can change it by clicking the browse, but I am leaving it as it is. You need at least 53 MB to install it. Just click next again and click this one and click next again and just click install. It will take a few seconds to install it properly. As you can see, my installation process is already began and it's also finished. And now just click this finish option. Now go to your search option and here search Sublime Text, and this is my installed file, and click open here. Now after click opening it, you can see this is their interface, and now you can use the Sublime Text as you wish. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.